Have you been searching for online courses only to find that they're too expensive? Don't worry. We found the perfect platform for you where you can access free courses and earn certificates. Welcome to Ai Chill Nill. Mindluster offers over 300,000 online courses and MOCs, all with free certificates. It's the largest educational platform in the world, catering to all your learning needs. From programming to business, graphic design to languages, Mindluster has it all. Explore a variety of courses and start learning today. Enrolling is simple. Search for your desired course, review the certificate details, and sign up by entering your personal information. It's that easy. Some popular courses include Python programming, digital marketing, and graphic design. Imagine gaining these skills without spending a dime. Enjoying these tips? Subscribe to Ai Chill Nill for more updates and new videos on how to expand your skills for free. Have you tried any online courses yet? Which subjects interest you the most? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Mindluster is your gateway to free education. Visit the link in the description to start your learning journey today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Ai Chill Nill.